Hi everyone, Paul Morbid here, Morbid Team Entertainment and Bolex Repair Philippines. This is a Fujica Single 8 Z800. It is another one of my preferred Single 8 cameras. And one of the best features is right here it has a rewind to rewind the film. That way you can superimpose. So of course, check out my finger on the shutter trigger. Go ahead and film something, for those of you who don't know, okay? And then what you can do is you can take this, flip it out. See how I've done that right there? Okay? Alright? And then you just turn this. And you can rewind the film. Alright? Then take it and click it back in just like that. Okay? And create an effect. Okay? Superimpose one on top of the other. Take a look at it inside the film compartment. Alright? Watch this spindle right here. Okay? So what I'll do, I'll take that and turn it, and you can see it move just like so. Alright? There you go. Very cool. So that's one great thing about Single 8 is that you can wind the film back. Alright. Catch that in there. Bam, there we go. Got it clicked in. Alright. So this model right here, I can take it and it's on the go. And that's one of my favorite choices of Single 8, the Z800, and definitely of the Fujicas. Alright? So there you are. Do contact me at the social media outlets provided on the screen, and remember always, do subscribe. Until next time, see ya!